Hello and welcome, creative friends. In today's video, I'm so excited to introduce you to my brand new journal for this month's creative challenge, No Zoo November, hosted by Make Journals. You will find the prompt list linked below in the description in case you want to craft along with us. For this challenge, I wanted to make something a little bit different. A waterfall style junk journal made entirely from junk mail envelopes and recycled papers. It's such a fun and easy way to use up scraps and leftover materials, a perfect scrub buster project. I've already planned my pages so that this journal will last me through the entire month of November. I'll be uploading videos regularly, not every day, but often enough to share my process and ideas as the month goes on. So if you love creative recycling and want to follow along, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any updates. For this project you will need just a few simple supplies: masking tape, glue stick or wet glue, use whatever you have on hand, a good stack of junk mail envelopes, I used 14 in total, and of course some papers to collage with. That's really it, we'll be keeping it simple and sustainable. Let's start assembling. I printed the prompt list in black and white because my printer ran out of color ink, but it still looks great. I wanted the prompt list to be removable and easy to access, so I decided to keep it in the front pocket of the journal. To do this, I folded the first envelope in half lengthwise, and then I added the next one, attaching them with masking tape. The main structure of this journal is made by gluing the envelopes together with masking tape. I love using masking tape because it's strong, flexible and super easy to paint or glue over later. But don't worry, if you don't have masking tape, you can absolutely use strips of paper instead. Just glue the envelopes together edge to edge and you will get the same effect. Each new envelope is cut about 2 cm longer than the previous one. That's how we build up the waterfall effect. It's super simple but really effective. envelopes so that the windows appear on both sides of the journal. That adds interest and allows little peeks of what's underneath, giving you layers of texture and surprise. And because I couldn't resist, I added a vellum envelope too. It brings a beautiful transparent layer for even more dimension. Once my base was done, it was time to collage. This part took a while, but honestly, it's my favorite part. If you want to make it a bit quicker, I recommend using larger collage pieces next time. I used smaller ones for more detail, but it did take extra time. Make sure to glue over the seams between the envelopes. This will make your journal much sturdier and longer lasting. As you collage, mix your papers around to create a cohesive, balanced look throughout. And remember, there's no right or wrong here. Just enjoy the process. And in case you don't like, you can paint over later. The final measurements of my journal are about 9 inches high and 4.5 inches wide, a lovely compact size for daily creative play. Making tags and inserts. To finish up, I created some tags to fill my pockets. I used recycled Amazon envelopes and Pendaflex file folders. They make amazing sturdy bases for tags and you can collage, paint or write on them later. This part really brings the journal to life and it gives you so many opportunities to personalize your pages as you go through the month. And that's it! My base journal for No Sew November is complete. I really hope this video inspired you to create your own no sew journal and craft along with me throughout the month. If you have any questions about my process or materials, please leave them in the comments. I'd love to chat and help out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and let's make this a wonderfully creative November together. Happy creating, and I'll see you in the next video.